What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Benji, back on a video, man. Today, about to pick up these Air Jordan 4 Breds. Right now, we're at the PX in Frankfurt, and hopefully I can get them. Wiesbaden. I'm in Wiesbaden. So I'm about to pick them up. My boy, Bert, is holding them down for me, so I'm vlogging on my iPhone. I'm going here and grab them, so y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's get it. Oh, he supposed to be holding the fours for me, size 9.
What's your name?
Check it out. Got a couple of kicks up in here. Oh, I got Jordans over here. Got the 3s here. They're kind of trash though. They're trash. I still ain't got these. I'm gonna get them soon. You know, they Jordan line right here. Mocha 3s, I still need to get those. And the Tinker 3s. These is hard. They got the cap and gown 13s. I want them, but I don't want them for this price. Maybe for $100 I'll cop them. I don't know. How y'all feel about these? Culture 2s. I like somebody return these. I thought the leather quality was gonna be stupid trash, but they straight. 155. Tattoo 4s. He's just trash, man. I ain't fuck with them. Oh, fuck. The Laney 5s. I like the originals better. Y'all let me know how I feel about these as well. So here they go right here, man. Air Jordan 4 Breds. Got that original hang tag on them. My first thoughts is like, I'm fucking with them. Ain't gonna lie. So yeah. You already know y'all stay tuned for that review and on feet. I'm gonna hit y'all with it. And the vlog might be done after this. I just want y'all to check these out. What's going on, YouTube? Back at the crib, man. You watched the vlog of me picking up the Air Jordan 4 Breds, man. I'm glad I picked these up and I got them for under retail. I kind of was rambling in my vlog that I put up before this part, but I didn't give the proper shout out. Shout out to my homie Lauren, man. You know who you are. Appreciate the lookout for these shoes. You hit a Bert, you let him know I need a size 9. I was visiting Frankfurt, man, and you held it down for your boy, and I appreciate it. So shout out to you. And yeah, let me check them out real quick because I really haven't got a full in-depth view of my own sneakers because I was so busy yesterday. But yeah, here you have it. Air Jordan 4. Air Jordan 4 Breds, man. Like I said, the quality could have been better, but we're going to talk about that more during the review and on feet that will be dropping tomorrow. So I hope you guys are ready for that. And yeah, let me know in the comments below if you picked up the Air Jordan 4s. Let me know if you paid over retail, if you took an L, something. Let's get some conversation going in the comment section below. You already know that's what I'm here for, and I respond to all comments, man. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell for your boy. Follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. The link will always be in the description box below. And yeah, with all that being said, I'll catch y'all in our review and on feed over these. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. Peace.